Hey SmartR community, welcome to the SmartR How-To series. Today, we will be going through how to navigate the Learn SmartR Mobile Application. After downloading the application from the App Store or Google Play Store, open the application. There are two ways of logging in. If you already have an account, log in with your email and password, or if you have an employee account, proceed to fill in your employee ID, organization name, and password. If you are new to our app, we would like to give you a warm welcome. All you need to do is click the Sign Up Now text at the bottom and you'll be directed to create an account on our SmartR website. Once you've logged in, you will see your home page. At the top, you can see your XP and learning hours, gamification metrics that you can use to track your learning progress. In the middle portion, you have the class overview, where you can visualize your class engagement, see how many classes you've enrolled in, how many you have attended, and how many you have passed. If you scroll down, you will see three tabs: completed, ongoing, and upcoming. This organizes your classes so you can stay on top of your learning. Select the class you want to learn. You'll be taken to the class page, where you'll find two tabs: Sessions, which lists all sessions of the class and their learning materials, and Discussion, a space for you to discuss topics with other learners in the class. Tap on each session to view all learning materials within. Learn through the materials one by one at your own pace. To go back to the previous page, tap the back icon at the top left corner. You can always return to the class you are currently learning by selecting the Learn tab at the bottom of the screen. That's it! You're now all set to start learning with ease on the Learn SmartR mobile app. Next, we will explore the SmartR Hub, which is also labeled as the For You tab at the bottom of the app. This is your discovery page, allowing you to find expert-led courses from a variety of trusted organizations and recommended content and courses for you. In the next tab, there is a dedicated notes page for you to take notes during a lesson or class. Lastly, we have the Settings tab. This section allows you to view your achievements, notifications, access the Help Center, organization, change the language, change the password, and log out. Thanks for watching. To conclude, in this video, we covered how you can get started on your learning journey, navigate classes, and find new courses on the Learn SmartR app. Take time to explore the Learn SmartR application, and if you have any questions, make sure to check out the Help Center, as there is a high chance we have already addressed your concern there. Stay tuned for the next How-To series video, where we will be exploring how to create a class in the SmartR LMS platform. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one and have a great week ahead.